Hey everyone, it's Trend, and in this video we're diving deep into 7 potentially lucrative ways to grow your wealth in 2025 and beyond. Remember those New Year's resolutions about financial freedom? This is where we start turning those goals into reality. Now, I'm not talking about get-rich-quick schemes. Those are unrealistic and often lead to losing money, not making it. We're going to be practical today, focusing on strategies that require effort, dedication, and a bit of patience. Creating profit hinges on your goals and interests. Here's a mix of common and creative ideas to get you started. Let's get started. Look, I know what you might be thinking. The stock market, that's risky. And yeah, it can be. But it can also be incredibly rewarding, especially when you approach it with the right mindset and a long-term perspective. Before you even think about putting money in, you need to do your research. Understand what you're investing in, diversify your portfolio, and remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Don't go chasing those short-term gains. Be patient, think long-term, and you might be surprised at the results. Have a passion for something. Baking, graphic design, maybe you're a coding whiz. Turning that passion into a business could be your ticket to financial freedom. It takes a lot of work, sure, but the potential rewards are massive. Start small, test your ideas, and be prepared to hustle. The internet has made it easier than ever to reach a global audience. So whether you're selling handmade goods on Etsy or offering consulting services online, the possibilities are endless. Real estate has always been a popular way to build wealth, and for good reason. Owning property can provide you with passive income through rent, and the value of real estate tends to appreciate over time. However, it's also a capital-intensive investment. You'll need a significant down payment, and there are ongoing costs like property taxes, maintenance, and potential vacancies to consider. But if you do your due diligence and make smart investments, real estate can be a powerful wealth-building tool. Chapter 4: Freelancing. The gig economy is booming, and freelancing offers incredible flexibility and earning potential. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or have any other in-demand skill, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients worldwide. The key to success in freelancing is building a strong portfolio, delivering high-quality work, and providing excellent customer service. It takes dedication and consistency, but the freedom and earning potential are hard to beat. Chapter 5: Sell handmade goods. Are you a creative soul with a knack for making beautiful or unique items? Selling handmade goods online could be your perfect side hustle or even a full-time business. Platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace to connect with millions of potential buyers actively searching for handcrafted items. From jewelry and candles to clothing and home decor, there's a market for almost anything you can create. Take stunning photos, write compelling product descriptions, and provide excellent customer service to stand out from the competition. And Chapter 6: Invest in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have exploded in popularity in recent years, and while they can be highly volatile, they also offer the potential for significant returns. However, I can't stress this enough. Cryptocurrency is a high-risk, high-reward investment. Before investing a single dollar, educate yourself thoroughly on the technology, the specific cryptocurrencies you're interested in, and the risks involved. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and remember, this is a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Chapter 7: Blogging, Vlogging. If you're passionate about a topic and love creating content, blogging or vlogging could be your path to monetization. It takes time and effort to build an audience, but with consistency and high-quality content, you can generate income through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. Choose a niche you're genuinely interested in, create valuable content that resonates with your audience, and engage with your followers to build a strong community. Your path to profit awaits. There you have it, 7 potential paths to creating profit in 2025 and beyond. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to financial success. The key is to identify where your strengths lie and what you're passionate about, then pursue opportunities in those areas. Do any of these ideas resonate with you? What are you most excited to explore? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on personal finance, investing, and building a life you love. Thanks for watching.